All right, welcome back, and let's jump right in with part 3. Hopefully you've solved these problems before you started this video, so this will be just a check for you. All right, number 3, I have 7 equals P divided by 8. Since I'm dividing P by 8, I need to multiply both sides by 8, because the multiplication property of equality says if I do that, then my resulting equations will be equal to each other. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so I have 1p left over. And 8 times 7 is 56. Number 4, 1/7 equals some number w divided by 14. Because I'm dividing w by 14, I need to multiply both sides by 14. 14 divided by 14 is 1, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. I'm sorry, by 7 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so now we have a situation where we can have either multiplication or division. You have to figure it out. The area of a garden below is 18 and 1200 feet squared. If the length of the rectangle, if the length of the garden is 6 feet, write and solve a multiplication equation to find the width of the section of roses. And remember that area equals length times width. So we write the formula or the equation, area equals length times width. And then we just plug in what we know. We know the area is 18 and 1200 and the length is 6. So we're going to substitute those numbers in. 18 and 12/10 equals 6. Our length times our width. We have a multiplication equation here. So to solve that, we have to divide both sides by 6. So that means our width is 3 2/2 feet. All right, did I go too fast there? So our length is 6. And our width is 3 2/2 feet, and our area is 18 and 1200. The next one. Give me your final answer here. Okay, at a restaurant, Jessica and her friends decided to divide the bill evenly. The total bill is $47.50. Each person paid $9.50. How many friends did Jessica have dinner with? So what's the equation? Well, $47.50 is equal to $9.50 times F, where F is the number of friends. It's Jessica and her friends. So how many friends had dinner with Jessica? Well, $47.50 was the total bill, and each person paid $9.50. So the number of people times $9.50 should be $47.50. We divide both sides by $9.50, and that means that there were 5 people. But the question said, how many friends did she have dinner with? Well, she had dinner with 4, because she was the 5th person. So the correct answer is Jessica had 4 friends, because the total was split by 5 people. So you have to include her in the 5, which means she had 4 friends. All right. Number 7. Tell me what you come up with. At a recent school car wash, the football team donated 3/8 of the money raised to a local charity. If they donated a total of $120 to local charity, how much money did they raise during the car wash? So 3/8 of the money is 120, because it says 3/8 of the money raised was donated, and they donated 120. So the equation is 3/8 of some number X is 120, where X represents the money they raised. So 3/8 X equals 120. To solve that, I have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 3/8, which is 8/3. 120 times 8/3 is the same as 120 to 1 times 8/3. I simplify before I multiply. The total they must have raised was 320. 3/8 of that is 120. All right, we're at 5 minutes. Like I said, take 4 videos. I promise you we'll finish up on the next one.